Prevention and Control Week from November 17 to November 23, 2024 with a theme prioritizing health-based approach in drug abuse prevention and control. In compliance with this celebration, the LGU Ilocos has recently passed or enacted an ordinance with the help sa atong mga active na mga SB members o atong vice mayor o atong mayor. Ang tawag nila nga ordinance mo din CPDRP ordinance or the Community-Based Drug Rehabilitation Program Ordinance. Unsa man ang Community-Based Drug Rehabilitation Program? Ang Community-Based Drug Rehabilitation Program is one of the pillars of functional Municipal Anti-Drug Abuse Council or the MADAC. The CPDRP is a holistic approach in rehabilitating the surrendered drug personality. The program aims to focus on the healing of body, mind, and soul. Dili kay ang lawas na ulian na ang utok wa pa. Kinahanglan kompleto. Healing of mind, body, and soul through counseling and other therapeutic sessions, and to restore and reconnect the patient or the PWODs with their family through various interventions. It also aims to empower the community in providing treatment for the said victim. For our part sa LGU, atong duration sa community-based rehabilitation consists of the series of live-out sessions that will run for at least 16 weeks or equivalent to 16 sessions for low risk and 24 sessions or 24 weeks for moderate risk with minimum of 2 hours per session. Sa atong case diri, atong gihimo, kada Miyerkules naghimo ta og community-based rehabilitation program ato sa 3rd floor sa PRS building. Duha ka oras, para diri tigitas ko kanino, duha ka oras atag attention, tinud anay nga commitment. And the following agencies are involved with this. Una, ang health. We, based on our team, health-based. So, number 1 kami, health sa RSU. Then, with the welfare and recovery led by the police. And spiritual, atong religious affair. And lastly, ikaupat, ang atong family session led by our MSWDO. After 24 sessions or 16 sessions for low risk na mga PWODs, they will graduate and they will be referred back to the barangay through the Barangay Anti-Drug Abuse Council na nasa mo mga activities for 6 to 1 year. After that, they will consider as graduate. Kung saan pag-avail ang community-based rehabilitation program? Una, a person who use drug or the plea bargaining client kanang naay mga kaso nga ilang judgment is to avail a plea bargaining client accompanied by their family shall submit themselves to the Barangay Anti-Drug Abuse Council referral list. Wato sa sila dito for proper registration and verification and recording of the barangay level. So, with that, atong gihimo sa atong CPDRP, atong compliance to the DAPA, in summary, ang tao sa una, ang tao magpa-rehab, diba, matuman sa Cebu, sa Tacloban, sa asa mga syudad ko. Karon, through sa atong program, pwede na ang tao magparehab sa atong municipality. Basta lamang sila, moderate risk or low risk. Paghimuon kani kada Miyerkules 2 ka oras ang atong session. Ang importante ani is number one is mabalik ka sa imong kaugalingon. Ikaduha, kadtong mga tao nga naa sa listahan sa PDEA sa panahon pa ni Duterte, posibleng mo-delist. Mao ni atong program gihimo para sa masiro or maminimum at drug abuse nga problem sa atong municipality. Salamat. Lungkot